Hey guys, I'm Rho Trades and you're watching Rho Trades live YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be seeing about the 23rd of June expiry, the whole week analysis, and also about what trades I made today and for the whole week. So if you are my regular follower, you have already known my YouTube channel. I posted a video on Monday about the weekly analysis and how I'm going to be seeing the market. What is my perspective on the market for the whole week and how will I be looking for opportunities to trade every single day. I gave you the analysis. It was open statement. Even in my Telegram group I gave it. So if you watch my channel, if you subscribe and like the videos, you will obviously get it and you can make use of it to make profits like I do. So considering this week, let's get into the chart. Okay, first I don't want to concentrate into intraday time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, Monday itself I told you that the market is opened below CPR. Okay, as it opened below CPR, I told you that I am short. How short I am? I'm going to be short until the market is going to be staying below this red line. So I also had my own levels of safety, which is 33,800. So because of the previous swing lows, 33,800 and below I will be short, and that's my whole view for this entire week, I would say. So for every single race I was looking for an opportunity to sell. So will I sell will I sell blindly wherever the market is? No, I won't. I have my own set of rules which will give you confirmations. After that only you can go for selling. So for example, I obviously explained every single day's price action and how I reacted to it on my Instagram and YouTube in reels and shorts. So if you don't watch it, you can also watch it, but I will say in short, very simple, I was short. Okay, that's the next day the market popped up. It did not take my resistance out. So what I can do is I can stay short, and also now I know that the market is moving above the CPR and it's not taking resistance. Now I mean the market is in bearish mode, but still it is in a range. It is in a big range, not a small range. It's almost like a 800-700 points range. Okay, so this is my understanding. So how I reacted to this market is Tuesday, obviously I was not trading well because I went out because of the power shutdown, and I made around like 2k after market as in commodity and all. So that's, let's leave Tuesday. Okay, but after witnessing the price action, I know the market is in kind of a range. So now let's get into the intraday time frame. I think 5 minutes will work. Okay, yes. So when you come into this intraday time frame, you will get another set of CPRs and pivot points for this particular day. So the first day market was obviously in range and it ended up range, and I was shorting every single race, and we made profit almost like a 19,000 rupees, I guess. So second day the market popped up, and that's when I realized that the market is going to be in range. It's going to be in a big volatile range. So that's what happened in the Tuesday. And Wednesday I came back. After the volatile session, we will obviously have a range market. So after range market, we will obviously have a volatile session. So that's the pattern of this market for the whole week, and that's how it's going on. So the next day also, because the market was below CPR, it was trying to come below CPR. I know that I should be in a short side whenever I see opportunity. So I sold these areas, I sold this area. So all the highs and near highs I sold into. So today what I did, today the market started to shoot up like something. So because I know that the market is in short side, I'm not going to go for buying even though there is a strong buying momentum, or even though there's a buy confirmation. If you see in my signals, moving average crossover signals gave me buy, but still I'm not going to go for buy because my whole setup is to look for opportunities to sell. So now I just left this whole session alone, and after these two candles I got a sell signal with 1 minute moving average crossover. So that is something that I can trust and believe on. So that's when I got into the market and I shorted. So now you can very keenly see that I am always looking to short the market because of the Monday's weekly analysis. So when will I go bullish? I also had a view of when will I go bullish. Okay, so I'm so clear, unless it is going to take 33,800, I'm not going to go bullish. So that's my idea. So I was staying short. The market was ended up short, and yeah, all well and good, right? So if you see in the 1 hour time frame, even I told you that the market is 100% going to go expiring below this 33,646 levels. So that's what happened today. So this is how you need to analyze the market and trade every single day like this. So I took a lot of trades because of the volatile session. I did some scalping. I entered, exited. I did not run any profits because of the expiry, and I don't want to take any chances, because if I could make in the short side also, the market was down almost 600-700 points at one point of time. I could have made almost like a 30% return also today, but I did not risk with more quantities. I traded with just maximum of 200 quantities, but the very regular trades I made with 150 or 100 quantities only today, because considering we are already in a good position for this week. So my aim of 2% per week is already crossed. We almost made like a 3.5 to 4% this particular week itself, and considering this day's profit also. So not to lose the 2 to 3% which I made already, I just stayed quiet and I did not risk much. The maximum stop loss that I had at one point of time is 10,000 rupees risk. So for the whole day, I had a risk defined for 10,000 rupees, so that I won't be losing more than 10,000 rupees today, because I almost made like 30,000 for the last 3 days. So losing 10,000 will be still 2% for this week. So that's my idea. So that's how I traded. Luckily, I entered with good strategies and I entered with my confirmations only. I did not go for blind entries just because of the short side. So all that happened. So even now, I'll tell you, every single time you respect the levels, the CPR levels, you should make use of it. So say for example, you are short and it hits the CPR level, and that's when you should book your part profits, or you can just close your positions, because at that point market may decide what to do. So people may take it as a support and then buy it also. So within the second or third candle itself, I just went out of this market. I just booked the profits and came out. Okay, so what will happen is, if the market is not willing to go up also, it need to give you the sign of a breakout of this level. So if this level breaks out, it's going to further come down only, unless that you are not going to get any confirmation. So always trade with confirmation. So this is what I believe when it comes to trading. So yeah, I'm not having any big view on this market right now for tomorrow or the coming week. Because there is obviously the recession talks are going on, and the recession fears are going on much in the US, and the Fed chairman is speaking about inflations and the negative GDP growth and stuffs like that. So I think I'll come up with a video today about this. Not sure, but I'm yet to shoot it. So all the recession fears for the coming months, the market is trying to pull it down only, but not to stay short forever. So even though the market is going to crash 40% and you know it for granted, just go and trade only when you have the confirmation of a signal and know from where you will go wrong. So if this happens, you are wrong, you are in the wrong side, so your total statement is false and you have to exit the condition. So have a condition above which you will be bullish, or below which you will be bearish, or in this range the market is going to be in sideways. So have a perspective of the market structure and trade upon it, and that's what you should learn from what I say for today. So if you have not seen my Monday video, you can obviously go and see the Monday video. I've very clearly told you that 100% there is a 100% chance for the call options above 33,600 to become zero today, and that's what happened. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to say. We almost made a very good profit, like 13,000 rupees. This account has some capital of 10 lakh, almost 11 lakh rupees capital. So, and also have another small account, as I told you, in which we almost made like a 1.5% for the week. So that's the aim of that account is just to make 1% a week to manage the portfolios, that portfolio stocks that I have. So my idea is to buy stocks and pledge and then make 1% every single week to adjust the value of what I bought. Okay, that's the idea. So this week we made this day on expiry we made almost 13,000 rupees in this account, and other subscribed account, my PMS accounts and other clients account also we made very good profit, almost like 1 to 2% today. So no accounts are in loss. We are following a long winning streak in this June. So let's see how it goes. I'm looking forward to make a 10% return this month, and we are almost there, almost 7.5% I guess, including this profit this month. So if I could make this 25%, I'll come up with a special video of how I made it, what's the strategy that I follow, and I'll come up with a P&L video. So that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, this is it. So this is not like comedy business. This is not a funny business, guys. This is a serious business. So I really want you guys to support this channel and subscribe, not for me but for you. So for me, for the efforts that I taken to make videos and give updates constantly in Telegram and Instagram, for you to follow my views and make real profits. Okay, so if you're really interested to make profits, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, discuss about this video. Not everything that I say can be right. Maybe from my point of view it is right, but maybe you have a different point of view. Leave that in my comment section and let's learn and grow together. Okay, so that's it I want to say. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.